The statistics refer to last month. During this period, the ETS Touch webinar test worked. So, these are the worked hours shown in blue. Then the total amount of checklists, 1, and the completed checklists, so 1 and 1, for a total of 16 hours. This is the total amount of the checklists, so all filled checklists, only 1 has been filled correctly. If they had not been filled even 1 out of 2, it would have been the total amount filled and the not filled amount in red. This, concerning the statistics of the last month. We can also consider the statistics of the last 2 months. As you can see, other devices and other users worked. Or, concerning the last 4 months, we can have a histogram of the 4 months. We can also decide to physically check the period that goes from June 1st to June 30th, so we can also decide the day. Then let's click on Update, and the statistics will be refilled. We can modify asset according to period, so for the whole month, or for asset according to day, and then having the overview for each single day that the asset worked. Or, we can use user per day, and then it will be the user who decides the statistics. Or, per user per period. There are the 3 users who worked in that period. This data can be downloaded. So, we want to see our situation. Let's consider that we started in June. We prepare our report, asset per day, then update, download, and a CSV file will be downloaded to save these data. This concerns all the months that we want to keep the data, because data maintenance is one of 4.0 obligations.